Hi, what's popping? In this video, I'll be talking about 5 required Flutter tools and packages every Flutter dev must use and the main reason why. And if the alternative, I'll also let you know. Let's get started. Number 1, FVM. FVM basically means Flutter Version Management and is a simple CLI used to manage Flutter SDK versions. Like for example, let's say a project was built with Flutter version 3.14.6 and the second dev that is new to the team or to the company or to the startup is using Flutter version 3.16.8. Since FVM is being used, which basically stands for Flutter version management, it forces the developer to use the version that the project was built with and is maintained with, which is Flutter version 3.14.6, which has been declared by the company or the senior dev who has been working on the project, so things will not get broken. I will be creating a separate video for this soon is whereby you get to understand a lot of stuff regarding Flutter version management, simply known as FVM. And yeah, shout out to Serge as he was the one who introduced FVM to me. But for now, let's switch on to the next. Number 2, Sentry.io. Sentry is just basically a Flutter error and performance monitoring tool. Let's cite an example. I released a version 3.0 of my app and I didn't know a bug exists. But before user could let me know or drop a review, I've seen the particular. But before user could let me know or drop a review about it, I've seen the particular error users were having like issues with in my Sentry dashboard real time because my user are using my app and error popping up on my end. Sentry alerts me when error is being shown to the user. Either it sees that or it doesn't see that. But the problem now lies here. I have fixed the issue, but if I deploy to Play Store, App Store, before my updates could be approved, my company or startup, for example, might have lost a valuable number of users or clients, and I risk getting a query or warning for that error on my end. But let's go to the next point, which is a tool that actually delivers updates live and alert my users before noticing the bug or error that an update has been released to fix that particular error they want to complain about. And yeah, we can use two tools majorly. One is slightly paid and easy to use, while the second one is hard to integrate. And you need to have your own backend and personalized server to host the app that Google Play Store have not approved yet. Another detailed video will be done on installation of Sentry into your Flutter project, usage, advantage, and a lot more soonest. Let's move on to the third one. Shorebird or custom built code push tool. I will actually prefer Shorebird. Shorebird is Shorebird. Let me just even go like this. Shorebird Code Push is a cloud service that allows developer to push app update directly to the user's device, and it works as said even for Android and iOS devices. In order to be more powerful with the tools, a package was released called Shorebird Code Push on pub.dev. But currently the iOS version Shorebird is currently in alpha state, but it still works perfectly in relation to code push and what code push basically is. While the Android version is in a stable release and a stable state, and the payment plan is friendly to the pocket. But if you want a custom built code push to by yourself or your company, then check out this latest video by one man startup titled Flutter Required in-app updates using Riverport. All necessary and useful links related to this video will be in the description. And yeah, don't worry about can I get the link to this video? That will also be in the description box. The next two tools are just VS Code plugins I feel you should have as a Flutter dev and you should use. Number 4 is version lens. Just as the name is, version lens is just an extension that shows version informations of your packages when you open your pubspec.yaml file. But what I love about this is that it shows the latest update of the package and the current version you are on, and it has the ability to run Flutter pub-get once you modify the pubspec.yaml before even writing Flutter pub-get in your terminal. The link to this extension will be provided in the description box of this video. Let's go to the fifth one and the last one for this video. Number 5, PubSpec Assist. PubSpec Assist is an extension that allows you to easily add dependencies to your Dart and Flutter project. And that's just it. Without you going into pubspec.yaml to put those dependencies there or those packages named there. And you can all do this all without leaving your editor. Pro tip is that you can search for multiple packages at a time by separating every package name with a comma like as shown in the video. If you have multiple packages to install, You can also separate them with a comma, and if you have multiple dependencies, you can also separate them with a comma. We have come to the end of this video, and if you learned something, then show love by liking, subscribing, and also sharing the video to those you feel need it. And don't forget to check the description box, as I surely have a lot of useful links over there, and you surely love and find helpful. It's Tech Adult again. Peace out and stay jiggy.